This simple upgrade can make a huge difference in your driving experience. Over 2 million accidents happen every year due to turn signal neglect. And this is why you need to upgrade your light bulbs to LED rather than halogen. This is why today's video is sponsored by LasFit. LasFit is a high quality automotive company that specializes in LED bulbs and other accessories as well. So today we'll be using these to replace what I have in here, which are halogen bulbs. I want to give you guys a old look at the halogen bulbs before I replace them with LasFit LED turn signal bulbs. The halogen bulbs turn signal. As you can see, the halogen bulbs are not bright as the LasFit bulbs that I'm about to put on this car. So if you want to get the same exact bulbs like I have, please hit the description below, and if you use my discount code MUTLEGIT24, you will get a great discount on those bulbs or any other LED bulbs you want to purchase on the site. So before we get started, I want to tell you guys thank you to LasFit for sponsoring this video, and let's change out these old halogen bulbs and replace them with new LED ones. You won't believe what I had to do to get to something simple like this right here. So on this side was very easy. As you can see, it's there. But on this side was acting so difficult. I literally had to rip my bumper off, then had to take the whole light system out to even get to this right here. So this is what we're about to do. Something so simple that just for this right here. Crazy thing. So crazy. So before I put all this mess back, I'm going to show you guys the difference between these two right here. So as you can see with the LasFit turn signal bulb, you see how clear that is, how thick it is, and it's definitely going to shine very bright. And luckily the sun is going down, so we really gonna see how it really gonna look. And then you have the old halogen bulb right here, and just very something simple. But yes, I'm about to change this into this and put my mess back together, because I'm so mad that I had to take off everything for one simple thing. It literally happens when you work on a car. You think something's so easy to get to, but it's not. And that was a prime example right there. Now I have my new LasFit bulbs right here back into the headlights, and we can see how bright and what difference does it make from the regular ones. Okay, so this is the new look. I really love the new LED lights, turn signals. Look how bright that is. So I'm gonna give you a before and after of the back. So you can see these right here of the back. These are not the LasFit, these regular halogen bulbs. So I'm gonna give you a before and after. You can see how it's not really bright like the ones up there. So now we're about to change these, and we're about to really see the difference. It's definitely a big difference. As I showed you in the previous clip, they was not bright like this, not flashing this bright. I'm letting you know, guys, you have to get you some LED LasFit lights, because this right here is magic. Like, look how bright this is, and look how far I'm standing back from the car right now, so you can see me when I'm making a left or a right turn. This is great. This is so great. One thing you always have to do when you get a car, change out your halogen bulbs to LED. But yes, this is super bright. Like on the ground, this is crazy bright, bright, bright. This comes to the very end of this video. If you like this video, if you want to purchase some LasFit LED turn signal bulbs, LED, hit the description below. If you use my code MUTLEGIT24, you will get a discount on these right here when you make this purchase at checkout. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you later.